Hey guys, so today I wanted to share some, hold on, some tips and tricks of some self-care routines that I do. Unfortunately, it's not going to be like clips and videos edited together what I do. I'm just going to talk about little bit of things that I do on slow Sundays such as this to take care of myself, or days where I just want to take a break and just treat myself. I'm going to explain what I do. By the way, my name is Oshun the Great. Please follow me on Instagram, Oshun_the_great, or email me with any questions you have, oshunthegreat24@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. Alright, so with that being said, for those of you who don't know me, I'm a healer, psychic, medium, empath, alchemist, shaman, all of that good stuff, and I'm here to help you find clarity in your life and to help you become your greatest version. So with that being said, self-care is one of my most important topics and my most beloved topics that are dear to me. And because the reason why is because it is one of the easiest ways to raise your vibration. And like everyone should know by now, that raising your vibration is one of the ways that you can manifest almost instantaneously. So one of the easiest ways is self-love and self-care. Now for women, this is easy, kind of easy, and depending on what type of woman you are, makes a difference too. But for me, some of my self-love rituals include polishing my nails, cutting my nails, taking care of myself, making sure you bathe up to 3 times a day almost, you know, which I'm learning now. Someone was like, oh, you know, basically hygiene matters. Basically making sure you take care of your skin. Face masks are my favorite. Wearing my favorite lipsticks raise my vibration, and it's like warrior paint for me. Wearing earrings, my spiritual color is gold. You have to learn about yourself and what you like and make sure you don't slack on it. Now a lot of people always want to make people feel guilty about the physical realm, but we all live in the physical realm, and I tell you how important it is to pick your avatar, to get tattoos when you have the money, to get jewelry when you have the money. It doesn't have to be expensive, it doesn't have to be wild and out, but you have to treat yourself when you have the resources to do so, because this is a part of your well-being as a human being here on planet Earth while you're here. We are here to enjoy beauty, to enhance our own, things of that nature, and to feel good in every way that means. So go get a massage, or get a friend or your boyfriend and girlfriend to massage you. We need to get massages because we're spiritual beings in this physical body, and we have aches and pains regularly, so we have to get massages, get energetic work done when we can, breathe, meditate. Also, I like to do what I need to do more of, actually, is get into my creative side. Creativity helps you release negative energy and stress, so painting, art, dancing, things of that nature are ways to take care of yourself. Slowing down, making sure you have days where you do nothing. All of this is self-care tips. So this is stuff that will keep you grounded and help you feel sane. So it's really important, especially if you're an empath, light worker, highly sensitive person. Definitely important for you. But yeah, those are just a few tips, you guys. But obviously my outward appearance to how the color I pick to wear in my hair, but also your insides matter too. So self-care is reading on a daily basis, reading for at least an hour, which I've just started implementing, trying to read every day, and read different books on success or self-help. You guys, I got a long way just by reading self-help books. This is what allows me to teach you guys so much stuff on here. You'd be surprised at what you learn and what you can teach to others, and what you grow to become. But yeah, so your insides matter too. Drinking a lot of water, paying attention to what your body reacts to as far as what you eat, what your body rejects, and what it takes. All of that stuff matters. But yeah, and also cutting off toxic people. So do not let anyone cause drama on your rest days. If someone causes stress and drama in your life, just cut them off completely. So all of these are self-care tips. You'll be surprised that cutting people off can clear your skin. It's funny, but you'll be surprised. Energy is very important. But yeah, preserve your energy today. Make sure you take care of yourself at least an hour a day, to do nothing or to rest, take a nap, whatever the case may be. Listen to your up and down cycles. If you feel tired, rest. If you feel like taking a break, take a break. If you feel like going hard, go hard. But honor your cycles, honor who you are, and be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.